Hello. So today I am going to explain you about the floating and sinking concept and Archimedes principle. But in this concept there is a misconception which I would like to explain to you. So suppose I have three containers. One is having alcohol, another water, and in the third one we have honey. Now I put one wooden block in alcohol, same wooden block in water, and same wooden block in honey. So we will notice that in alcohol the wooden block sinks most, and in honey it sinks minimum, that means least, right? So the misconception here comes is that in alcohol the buoyant force is least and in honey the buoyant force is maximum, and hence the wooden block could sink minimum. But then this is the misconception which I would like to clear, that in all the three liquid the amount of buoyant force exerted by any liquid on the same block will remain the same. Okay, no matter the liquid changes, if the block object remains same, the buoyant force on the object will be same. And this is because that when the object is inserted in any liquid, the volume of water that is displaced by the object changes, it varies. And according to Archimedes principle, it says that the buoyant force is equal to the equal to the weight of the water or the liquid displaced by the object. Now if you understand that in case of alcohol the volume of water displaced is maximum, right? And in case of honey the volume of honey displaced by this inserted wooden block is minimum. Now since the density of alcohol is minimum and the volume of alcohol displaced is maximum, now these two things compensate for each other, and hence it makes the buoyant force, that means the weight of the liquid displaced, which is the exerted amount of buoyant force on this object, equal. So that means that the amount of buoyant force exerted by any liquid, since it is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced, and weight of the liquid displaced depends upon two factors, quantity of the liquid as well as the density of the liquid, right? So if the density is high and volume or quantity of the liquid is less, that means both can compensate. Now in this case the weight of liquid honey will be same as the weight of alcohol displaced by this wooden block, and therefore the amount of buoyant force exerted by honey and the amount of alcohol weight of alcohol remains the same. And this is one very important misconception that we all need to keep in our mind, that if any object is dropped in any liquid, then the amount of buoyant force exerted by each liquid remains the same on this object. And since the density is different, to compensate for that density the volume of the liquid displaced keeps on changing, so that the buoyant force is a fixed quantity. Okay, thank you so much.